Phylogenetic trees are graphical representations that contain OTUs. OTUs are a unit like a species or a strain of a virus, and they're used in these phylogenetic trees to compare the degree of similarity between each OTU. In this phylogenetic tree, the different OTUs being compared are deserts. This is also an example of a rooted tree because the distance between each OTU is known, and the order of divergence can be inferred by comparing each OTU to an outgroup. The outgroup in this case is the Howling Cow ice cream. We know it's an outgroup because outgroups are defined as a group that we know is the most distantly related from each other OTU. And outgroups serve a purpose to root the tree so that all other OTUs share a common ancestor. The reason the Howling Cow ice cream is the outgroup is because it is so distantly related from each other OTU. In this case, the ice cream is different because it's frozen and it doesn't have to be baked, unlike each other OTU in this tree. The horizontal lines are known as branches, and they represent relative evolutionary time. When comparing the sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies with cake and cupcakes, the horizontal lines are shorter for the cookies and longer for the cake and cupcakes. When the lines are shorter, that means that the cookies shared a more recent common ancestor than the cake and cupcakes did. Nodes are when the horizontal lines come together and it represents a common ancestor. For example, this node is the node that roots the tree together from the outgroup to all other OTUs. There are two types of evolutionary change, and the first is called anagenesis. Anagenesis is the evolution within a lineage over time. So the horizontal lines represent the evolutionary time and how each OTU has evolved. The other type of evolutionary change is cladogenesis. This is a splitting of one lineage into two, and these branches, when they split, they occur at the nodes. So for here, for example, the sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies are one species, and it splits into the cookies and a species of macarons.